Patents are only for high-tech inventions. Hey everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. Not true. While yes, patents can be utilized for software, business methods, state-of-the-art AI-based inventions, and high-tech, low-tech inventions are even better for patents. And I'm going to get into reasons why. So don't think just because your idea is simple, product, consumer, on-the-shelf type of a good, it can actually be patented and protected. And the trick there is that it's enforceable, very enforceable, because it's easy to detect infringers when the product is simple. So get it out of your head. I think change your perspective here that patents aren't just for tech. I mean, they're for everyday items like zippers and coffee pods. They've been patented. Think about mechanical, consumer products, kitchen tools, packaging, and clothing features. If they solve a practical problem in a new way, it can be patented. Now, it doesn't always mean you should get a patent. You've got to make sure you do some diligence on the market, have a business plan, and how you're going to go accomplish your goals in the market. Is it going to really be a large enough market and drive enough demand to make it worth the time and effort and money it might cost to get the patent granted to begin with? Let's look at three real-world examples from the past of inventors that invented products, simple, non-high-tech solutions, and brought them to market. Whitcomb Judson invented the zipper. Judson invented the early zipper design way back in the 1800s, a simple fastening mechanism, not software, not electronics, not complicated. And today, of course, zippers are everywhere. Luggage, clothing, camping gear, you name it. Number two, John Sylvan. This is the Keurig coffee pot. You probably see them all over in hotels, of course, your own kitchen. They're single-serving coffee brewing pods, not artificial intelligence, not aerospace, nothing techy. But it's a better way to make coffee at home, protected by patents that built a multi-billion-dollar category. Number three is Gideon Sundback. This is the modern zipper improvement. Sundback improved Judson's original concept and patented a modern interlocking zipper structure in the early 1900s. Took 100 years, but something simple, mechanical, easy, not high-tech, and even an improvement made him very, very wealthy. So Gideon Sundback could be your similar, where you could find a way to improve something that already exists, even if that product is currently simple. So patents just aren't for apps or algorithms or high-tech software that is AI-powered. It can be an everyday product. It could be a water bottle, a new way of bringing about something simple. So if you have something simple and you're wondering whether it's patent eligible, get a hold of us at Bold Patents. We'll walk you through with a free discovery call and get you started today. Wishing you guys a wonderful day out there. Go big, go bold.